How to delete someone on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete someone on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete someone on Instagram, you can open the Instagram application here, and if you think that someone else is logged into your Instagram account and you want to remove them, come to the profile icon, tap the three lines option from the top right, then just go to the option known as account center. Once you go to this option known as account center, over here you'll find the option called password and security. So just go to password and security. And once you go to password and security, one way that you can remove someone from your Instagram account is by simply changing your password. So you can go to the change password tab and then make sure to change your password. But if you want to review the devices manually, right here you'll find where you are logged in option, so tap on it. And once you tap on where you are logged in, you should be able to see a list of the other details where you should be able to see those devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. And then you will be able to go ahead and then basically remove those devices manually and remove them from your Instagram account. This way you can delete someone on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.